Hello, I'm Anita from beandesigns.com. I'm all about helping you by providing the tools to create awesome digital scrapbook layouts using GIMP. In order to use GIMP, you're going to first have to have it on your computer. So this video will walk you through the download, install, and setup process. To install, we'll have to download the program. So go to www.gimp.org. Select the download. I do have a Windows system, so that is the version I chose. This is the version 2.10.18, which is the most recent version at the filming of this video. You'll see on the page, the download page, there's lots of information. You can scroll through and choose the items that you need. There's a manual for you that you want to download. Once it is downloaded, double-click on the .exe file to open up the download. It does come with an automatic installer. So the file will automatically extract itself and place it onto your machine, on your computer, for you to be able to use later. You can see there's a lot of files to do on mine because I already had a version of GIMP, and so this one is removing old files and updating things as it is installing the updated version. Once it's all done, we're going to be able to open GIMP. You can do this by double clicking on the icon along your taskbar. You can also go to the Start menu and locate the program. With your first opening of the newly installed GIMP program, it's going to open with 1 to 3 separate windows. You'll see your main window with menu across the top, and 2 other ones is what I received when I first opened it up. I have my tools and I have my layers. There is total flexibility in the personalization of your GIMP, your personal GIMP. You can go to Windows. You can make it single window mode. So you have your image window and you have your 2 tool palettes. These tool palettes are called dockable dialogues, and you have all of these options that can be docked into your palettes. You can see on mine, on my layer palette, I have layers, channels, paths, undo history, and fonts. And over here on my tool palette, I have all my tools. I also have my tool options. So when I select something, so like I want to do the rectangular select, here are my options for that particular action. I have my display navigator, my gradients, brushes, patterns. So I have all of these easily accessible, totally customizable. You can dock whatever items you want. If you want to dock histogram, so you open histogram and it opened it right here along in this section. So you can click on that to see your histogram. Okay, one other thing I want to show you on Windows, you have your single tab mode. We are in single tab, so everything is all in one place. Let's open a new image. 100 by 3600. Click OK. So you see we have our image here, and it's all white. If I were to put a color, use my foreground color, background layer, you see that the white on the outside of my image, I can't see anything there. I can go to View and Show All, and now I can tell I have an image where the blue is, and everything else outside of the blue is not on my image. You'll notice my tab across the left. In your Windows menu, you can say tabs position. They can be across the top. And these are all the separate images that you have open right now inside the GIMP program. You can put them across the bottom or to the left or to the right. So they would be right over here with your tools. So totally customizable to whatever your preference is. So this is how to download, install, and set up your GIMP program so you're ready, set, ready to go to create your memories through your digital scrapbook pages. So look for other GIMP tutorials that can help you with your digital scrapbooking needs on my channel. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. And bye-bye for now.